Have you been waiting for the perfect opportunity to land a secure government job in Pakistan? Then this is your moment. The Federal Board of Revenue, yes, FBR, is officially hiring, and there are multiple positions open across the country. Whether you're a fresh graduate or someone with experience, there's a vacancy that might be just right for you. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the entire application process, from finding the official job ad to submitting your application online. It's simpler than you think, and will make sure you don't miss any important detail. So stay with me till the end. Your future job might just be a few clicks away. You can begin the process by opening any browser and searching for NJP or National Jobs Portal Pakistan. Once the site opens, scroll down to find the login text. Click on it. This will take you to the sign-in page. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and sign in. Starting with step 1. Since you are new to this website and do not have an existing account, you need to sign up first. On the initial sign-up screen, you will see an interface like this. Select the account type as candidate sign up. Then, enter your CNIC number, your currently active email address, and a strong password. After filling in all the required details, click the Sign Up Now button to proceed. Once you have completed step 1, proceed to step 2. Sign in. On the sign-in screen, enter your CNIC number, the registered email address you used during sign-up, and the password you created in step 1. After entering these details, click the Sign In button to continue. Once you have completed step 2, proceed to step 3, where you will create your CV. To do this, tap on the CV Manager tab. In the CV Manager, you need to complete 8 steps to generate your CV. The first step is personal information, followed by address information. The third step is education, then fields of expertise, job or work experience, skills, training, and certifications, and finally, languages. Once you have filled in all the required details, your CV will be automatically generated and ready for download or further editing. In the Fields of Experience section, you must select the option Ministerial or Office Staff. This selection is mandatory. If you do not choose it, your form will not be submitted. Once you have completed all the required details in your CV, and it shows 100% completion, you will be ready to apply for the post. In the Step 4, Search Job Title, on the search page, you will find several search options. From these, select by job title. In the search box that appears, type Sepoy and hit search. A list of job postings will appear, each corresponding to a different region. Identify and select the posting relevant to your area. For example, if you are from the Sindh region, choose the job post titled Collectorate of Customs Enforcement Indus. Click on Apply Now next to your selected post. A new tab will open displaying the terms and conditions. The fifth and last step, read terms and apply. Carefully read all the terms and conditions presented. The system will automatically check your eligibility, indicated by green tick marks. If you are eligible, a button labeled Click to Apply Now will become active. Click it to complete your application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email acknowledging that your form has been successfully submitted. That's all for today's video. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand how to apply for the Sepoy post in FBR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Best of luck with your application. See you in the next video.